Okay, we are dealing with evaluation of functions. It's not difficult, guys. You just need to understand how to evaluate, how to do the replacement on which side of the function, and then it will be very easy for you to evaluate this particular thing here. So what we shall do in the first case here, we shall come and replace x with a plus h. Wherever there is x, we do that replacement. Then we come and subtract the same function, having replaced everywhere with x, we replace with a. Then everything we divide by h. It will be as simple as that. So for the first case, it's going to be function of, we do replacement, a plus h is equal to 2, we replace again, a plus h, u squared because x is squared there, minus 5, we do replacement with a plus h, then we just say plus 1 as we show here. So we've already dealt with this one. Let's come and now expand this particular thing here before we come to subtract the other one. So what do we do here? When you are squaring this kind of number, for example a plus h, what you normally do is you take the first unknown, that is the a, you square it, then you say plus 2, you place 2 automatically, then you say plus 2 ah like this, then you say plus h, the last number or the last letter, the last unknown, you square it like this. Then all of this now, after squaring, you come and multiply with whatever it was in here. For our case here is 2. Then we subtract, that is 5 times a will be minus 5a. Then we say minus 5 times h, it will be minus 5h. We are done with that one. Then we say plus 1 like this. We go further to simplify this one. Remember, we've not yet subtracted this, we're still on this, so we say this 2 times a squared is going to be 2a squared plus 2 times 2ah, it will be 4ah, then plus 2 times h squared is going to be 2h squared minus 5a minus 5h, then plus 1. So now what we come and do here, remember this is the whole of this one is what we are told to subtract this one. After doing the evaluation here, we get here what we've gotten here. It is a plus the function of a plus h. Now we come and subtract the function of a. What we do here is where I was giving the trick on what you should replace with and where. So we say the whole of this, which is the same as function of a plus h, we subtract function of a. Remember the function that we are given is this one. So we say we come and now replace wherever there is x, we replace with a. So it's gonna be this is minus 2 into wherever there is x, you replace with a, into a squared minus 5, you replace again into a, then you add the 1. This is the whole of this is what we are subtracting from the whole of this. So we come and try to simplify this one first. Let's try to simplify, or we can write this one first, then we come and simplify this. So it wanna be here 2a squared plus 4ah plus 2h squared minus 5a minus 5h plus 1, the whole of this one minus this one wanna be minus 2a squared. Then we are still subtracting this one, it wanna be minus times 5, it will be plus 5a, because this 5 times 8 will be 5a, it's a minus times a minus will be plus, then minus times a plus it will be minus 1. Yeah, and remember now all of these evaluating things here we are dividing by h. Then what you do is we come and try to collect the like terms together, subtracting and adding up. I would like to use a different color of the pen. Let me use black for this matter. We ask ourselves what can collect the other one to cancel. We can see we have a positive 2a squared and a negative 2a squared. This and this goes. We have what else? We have minus 5a and we have plus 5a. This one goes like this. We have a plus 1 and minus 1. This one goes like this. We are left with what? I think there's nothing else that can cancel here. So now what we are left with is 4ah plus 2h squared minus 5h. Now all of these we divide by h. What happens here, we come and simplify this particular sum here by factoring out the h on the numerator. So we put h, we can see h is common here. We have h, we put h outside, so we are left with the 4a plus this was h squared, so if we factor out a single h, there will be left 2h, then minus 5, because h is outside, the all of these divided by h. So what we do is we cancel, h goes with h, so what is left here is 4a plus 2h minus 5, guys. So by the end of the day, that's what we are left with as the answer. Hope you get. If you like this one, if it's helpful, you can subscribe to this channel for you to get more problems solved. Thank you, guys.